So what I'm gonna do is when I can finally like put my hand behind my head. Like last week I couldn't do that. So when I'm gonna ask for the refills for the anti-inflammatories, they're like really strong anti-inflammatories, and then I think probably next week I'll probably do my hair again. I'd like to do like a pastel-y type of thing, but my all my hair is growing out. I really don't want to bleach. My hair just, I was looking at pictures of my hair before I bleached it, and it was so full. And it has broken off so badly. Chunks and all of this have broken off. And the back of my hair, my long hair, right now it's dried out, but it's really, really thin. So I don't want to bleach it, but I mean, if I do, I was looking in online at this girl is called AKA AISLINN. She bleaches her all the time, and she was saying stick to 20, but she said the problem is she has like a medium brown hair, so it lifts easily, and mine is too dark. So she said that's the only problem. She also said that they have liquid bleaches as opposed to powder bleaches. She said that's more gentler on your hair. But I do want to tone again. I wanted to see what would happen if I just toned it using the T18, because T10, T18, and I tried the CT18, and the best was the T18, and then you put the violet additive, and oh, that was perfection. I love that color, that gorgeous like bluish silver color. So I don't know, it'll lift anything, but I was thinking of trying that. But yeah, I mean, they say if you want to, I was thinking of using the same colors but using the green. And then if I have any left over, I might next time mix it with conditioner to lighten it so it's not so intense, and see how I can get a pastel. And I like right now my hair, I don't want to overuse this hand. I think I've got about, like, it's a little bit, but then you start, it's all a little bit throughout. Ainsley is like, I think she's a professional. I don't know if, because of this COVID, she's not working right now. I'm not sure. But dang, she takes her hours, and but she's so used to it. It's like she just does it with no problem. And yeah, I mean, she's amazing watching her. And I wish I had that kind, especially if my hand wasn't hurting. I might have, do like her. Like, she bleaches it with a 20. She uses the Schwarzkopf, which I don't like Schwarzkopf, but she says the blonde me is really good. And I watch her use the brush. It is so time consuming. She has to have a mirror in back of her and a mirror in front of her to do the back. But she just does amazing work, man. I wish I could be like that. But anyway, yeah, I'm just getting older and tired. I don't know what happened, but my nails were growing, and then this one again, just like last time, broke all the way at the bottom. And yesterday I was going to get out my fiber, not the fiber. I'm just gonna try and fix it with the fiber glass, but use the bio set and mixed with the gel on my nails, but no wrap, just that. And I just realized my hand was hurting too much. I couldn't do it. So I just cut it, I just took the rest of it off, and this one broke too. So both my pointer fingers, and I had to be careful. I can close my fingers now, but and I could go about up to here before it starts hurting. But yeah, I just wound up cutting it, filing this one because it chipped, and I just painted regular, nail polish. I put a nail hardener and then a polish, but those nail hardeners don't really work all that. But yeah, so that's that for my nails. But anyway, so that's what's happening with me. So yeah. So yeah. Okay, so hopefully there's not going to be any issues. I'll get my package by this weekend, and I will start doing the Wet and Wild My Melody collection next week. Love you all. Mwah.